Hello. Welcome to Kinderbook number 4. Are you ready? Let's start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. One more time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good. Alright, so we're going to have a look at can and can't today, okay? So let's start with whistle. Whistle. Alright. I can't whistle. I can't whistle. I can't whistle. I can whistle. I can whistle. Yeah, I can. I can whistle. I can whistle. I can swim. I can swim. I can swim. I can't swim. I can't swim. I can't swim. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. Hey, hey, hey! I can sing! Yeah. I can sing! Yeah, I can sing. I can sing. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. I can't sing. I can't sing. No. Monday, 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 Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 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 Thursday, 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 Friday, 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 Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, 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 Monday comes again. Alright, so, walk, walk, walk quickly, walk quickly. Walk slowly, walk slowly. Okay. Dance, dance, dance quickly, dance quickly. Dance quickly. Okay. Dance slowly. Dance slowly. Dance slowly. Swim. Swim. Swim quickly. Swim quickly. Swim slowly. Swim slowly. Morning. 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 Good morning. Afternoon. 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 Good afternoon. Evening. 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 Good evening. Night. 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 Good night. Okay. Ride a bicycle. Ride a bicycle. Tring tring. Tring tring. Tring tring. Ride a bicycle. Ride a bicycle. Brrr, 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 brrr. Drive a car. Brrr, brrr. Drive a car. The dog is on the bag. The dog is on the bag. The dog is on the bag. The dog is under the bag. The dog is under the bag. The dog is under the bag. The dog is in the bag. The dog is in the bag. The dog is in the bag. The dog is next to the bag. The dog is next to the bag. The dog is next to the bag. Very good. Okay, so today we're going to do two new ones. Okay, two new ones. Okay, so first of all, where's the dog? Where's the dog? The dog is in front of the bag. Okay, it's a bit difficult to say, but let's try once more. The dog is in front of the bag. Okay, can you just try and say in front of the bag? Can you say it? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. Once more, ready? In front of the bag. Can you say it? Ready? Okay, so the dog is in front of the bag. Once more. The dog is in front of the bag. Can you say it? Oh, very good. Once more. Very nice. Okay, so one more. This time. Okay, so where's the dog? The dog is behind the bag. Can you say? Behind the bag. Very good. Once more. Behind the bag. Behind the bag. Can you say it? Alright, very good. Once more. Okay, so the dog is behind the bag. Can you try and say that? Alright, once more. The dog is behind the bag. Alright, very good. Okay, so we have spring. 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 Spring is when there's a new school and there's cherry blossoms on the trees. Next we have summer. Summer. Summer is when it's hot and you go swimming and you go to the pool. Okay, summer. Next one is autumn. Autumn. Autumn is when all the leaves on the tree are red and yellow and really nice colors. Autumn. Autumn. And then winter. Winter. This is when you have Christmas and New Year. It's the end of the year, okay? You can go skiing. Winter. Okay, so let's practice. Okay, so today we're going to have a look at some time again, okay? Alright, so... Alright, can you please ask me again, what's the time? Once more, what's the time? It's 12 o'clock. Look, it's 12 o'clock. Okay, ask me once more, what's the time? What's the time? Okay. Oh, it's time to eat your snacks, potato chips and donuts and cookies. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Okay then. What's the time? Once more. What's the time? Okay then. This time it's 6 o'clock. Okay? It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. Alright. Okay, one more then. What's the time? Ready? Oh, it's very late. All the ghosts are gonna come out now. Look, it's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Once more. It's 10 o'clock. Alright. Should we try one more? Let's do some 30s. Can you ask me, what's the time? What's the time? Okay. It's 1:30. Once more. It's 1:30. It's 1:30. Okay. Should we do another one? Ask me, what's the time? Once more. What's the time? It's 8:30. Okay. It's 8:30. Once more. It's 8:30. Okay, so these are all the times. Okay, what's the time? What's the time? Once more. The time. Okay. Oh, here we go. It's 4:30. Okay. It's 4:30. 4:30. Okay. Last one. Ask me again. Ready? Look. What's What's the time? Oh, oh, look. What's the time? It's 10 o'clock. Yeah. It's 10 o'clock. Good job. It's quiz time. Number 1. What's the time? Number 2. What's the time? Number 3. What's the time? Number 4. What's the time? Alright, so we're going to play rock, paper, scissors. Yes, but look, it's a different Masa, okay? We always have the same screen, so I thought I'd try and change it so you didn't get bored. Alright, so we're going to play rock, scissors, paper again, okay? You still need to say I win, I lost, or it's a draw, okay? But we're going to try a new one, okay? You ready? Okay. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3!
Number